The Torah commands us to rest from working the fields on the 7th year, Shnas HaShmita. And the Torah says, V'chi toimu, and if you're going to ask, you're going to say, Uman nochal b'shana hashvius, and what exactly are we going to eat in the 7th year? Because we're not allowed to work the land. Says the Torah, don't worry, V'tzivisi yashbichasi, I'm going to command my blessing, says HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In the 6th year, the land will produce produce for 3 years. Says the Noam Elimelech, only those who ask, only those who are lacking in complete bitachon and trust in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, when they actually ask, they will merit this blessing of 3 times what a field normally does. What about those people who are clinging to Hashem? They trust 100% and they don't ask. The Torah seems to indicate that this tremendous blessing would only come to those people who ask. And if you're going to ask, don't worry. Your field will yield 3 years produce, but what about those people who don't ask questions? They believe HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Says the Noam Elimelech. The previous pasuk says, "Ve'achaltem lasova." You'll be satisfied with what you eat. Rashi says that the food will be blessed inside your innards. There are different types of blessings. HaKadosh Baruch Hu will give a blessing, a triple blessing, also to those who don't ask. But they will be satisfied with little. They're not going to have to work a lot. Those people who will get 3 years supply of produce, they will have to work for that. They will have to harvest it. They will have to somehow store it in great places that they're going to have to allocate for that. Those people who trust HaKadosh Baruch Hu are going to have the same amount of bracha, same amount of blessing, but they're not going to have to work for it. They're not going to have to harvest. They're not going to have to store it. The little that they eat will be blessed. And it will feel like they're eating 3 times as much. They're not going to have to spend too much time at the meal, big, lavish meals. They're not going to have to do that. Small meals. And you'll be able to move on, continue to learn Torah.